journey start with a single step, I would like to start my topic with beautiful greeting. Good afternoon. Hi there, I am Khushbu. Today I am represent my views on the topic effects of COVID-19 on Indian economy.
So our first topic is GDP, gross domestic products. The economic impact of the 2020 COVID-19 pandemic in India has been largely shattering. On 1st September 2020, the ministry released the GDP figure for Q1 April to June FY21, which showed a concentration of 24% as compared to the same period the year before. Let's move on the next topic, unemployment. In September 2020, India saw an unemployment rate of over 6%. This was the best improvement from the previous month. A damaging impact on an economy as large as India's case due to totally lockdown was approximate. Unemployment went up to 4% on May 2020 because of lockdown. Economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic in India. The largest GDP contraction ever in Q1, closure of schools and companies or colleges, sharp rise in unemployment, reduced consumer activity, and are many things which was affected by COVID-19. Be safe, use mask and maintain social distancing.
Good afternoon to everyone. I Tanisha from Ninth Mercury. Today I will share my views on the impact of Indian economy due to coronavirus. There is a big shift in the world economy market and the share market has witnessed crash day by day. Factories, restaurants, markets, flights, supermarkets, malls, universities, colleges, schools, etc. were shut down. Fear of coronavirus has limited the movement of the individuals. People were not even going to buy the daily essentials, and these all were somewhere impacting the economy of the world as a whole. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development OECD reveals that they have cut their expectations for global growth to 2.4% from 2.9% and warns that it could fall as low as 1.5%. India faces a huge decline in government revenues and growth of the income for at least 2 quarters as the coronavirus hits economic activity of the country as a whole. A fall in investors' sentiments impacts privatization plans, government and industry. The lockdown in India will have a sizable impact on the economy, mainly on consumption, which is the biggest component of GDP. India's total electronic imports is equal to 45% that of China. Around one third of machinery and almost two-fifths of organic chemicals that India purchases come from China. For automotive parts and fertilizers, China's share in India imports is more than 25%. Around 65 to 70% of active paramecial ingredients. So, at last, I only want to say please keep yourself safe, please wear mask and wash your hands regularly. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Lockdown is start. During the lockdown, package allowance of rupees 13 lakh crore was made from the PM Care Fund, under which the work of giving money in the account of the farmers and the poor peoples. Money had to face in many people had face the unemployments. In end, I tell you one thing that you hardly believe. The first corona patient in 1930, the first patient is hen. After the hen, the COVID-19 was found in many animals. But this disease has taken a name of pandemic in 2020. But COVID-19 virus is not yet over. Not let's live unless there is medicine. Stay home, stay safe.